Get ready to boost your energy and productivity with these easy and delicious plant-based meal prep ideas, perfect for busy weekdays. Subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes and tips, and let's get started. First, let's talk about the benefits of plant-based meal prep. It can help you save time and money, while also improving your overall health and well-being, with a variety of colorful and nutritious meals. One of the easiest ways to start meal prepping is with salads. You can prepare a big batch of greens, vegetables, and fruits, and then add your favorite proteins and dressings for a quick and easy lunch or dinner. Another great option is bowls. You can fill them with a variety of grains, vegetables, and legumes, and then top with your favorite sauces and nuts for a filling and satisfying meal. When it comes to meal prep, it's all about planning and preparation. Take some time on the weekend to shop for ingredients, and then cook and assemble your meals for the week. It's a great way to save time and reduce stress. One of the most important things to consider when meal prepping is portion control. Make sure to divide your meals into individual portions so you can grab and go without overeating or wasting food. In addition to salads and bowls, you can also meal prep soups, stews, and curries. These can be made in large batches and then frozen for later for a quick and easy meal. When it comes to meal prep, it's not just about the food, it's also about the containers and utensils you use. Make sure to choose eco-friendly and sustainable options to reduce your environmental impact. Another great thing about meal prep is that it can help you save money. By buying ingredients in bulk and reducing food waste, you can eat healthy and delicious meals without breaking the bank. Now that we've talked about the benefits and basics of meal prep, let's get into some specific recipes and ideas. From vegan mac and cheese to chickpea and quinoa bowls, we've got you covered. Like and comment below with your favorite meal prep recipes. One of the most popular meal prep recipes is the vegan burrito bowl. It's made with brown rice, black beans, and roasted vegetables, and can be customized with your favorite toppings and sauces. Another great option is the lentil and vegetable curry. It's made with red or green lentils and a variety of spices and vegetables, and can be served over rice or with naan bread. When it comes to meal prep, it's all about finding recipes that you love and that are easy to make. So don't be afraid to experiment and try new things, and share your favorite recipes with us in the comments below. In addition to the recipes we've talked about, there are many other great meal prep ideas out there. From vegan sushi to chickpea and spinach stew, the possibilities are endless. Now that we've covered the basics and some specific recipes, let's talk about how to make meal prep a part of your daily routine. From planning and shopping to cooking and assembling, it's all about finding a system that works for you. One of the most important things to remember when meal prepping is to stay hydrated. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day, and consider adding some healthy beverages like herbal tea or infused water to your meal prep routine. Another great thing about meal prep is that it can help you reduce stress and anxiety. By having healthy and delicious meals ready to go, you can focus on the things that matter most and take care of your mental and emotional well-being. In addition to the physical and mental benefits, meal prep can also have a positive impact on the environment. By reducing food waste and using eco-friendly containers and utensils, you can do your part to reduce your carbon footprint. As we come to the end of this video, we hope you've learned some new and exciting meal prep ideas, and that you'll start incorporating them into your daily routine. Don't forget to follow us for more healthy recipes and tips, and share your favorite meal prep recipes with us in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video, where we'll be sharing more plant-based meal prep ideas and recipes. Don't forget to like and comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more healthy and delicious content. And share this video with your friends and family to help them get started with meal prep.